Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by climbing the ladder with gloves and pliers in hand. Make sure your spotter steadies the ladder. Once you reach the rim, identify how the net is attached, hooks, zip ties, or clips, and focus on the weakest connection first. You loosen one fastener enough to create slack. This prevents sudden drops. You work methodically around the rim, releasing attachments in sequence so the net comes free cleanly without snagging the rim or bending hooks. Once one section is slack, you continue removing attachments, moving consistently clockwise to keep the net controlled. If hooks are rusted, you use pliers to twist and release them. Apply steady pressure to avoid sudden breaks. For zip ties, you cut them flush and pry the remnants out. Make sure nothing jagged remains. You collect every fastener in a bag so nothing falls. Then you inspect each rim hook and hole for wear, because damaged hardware can mean replacement. You lower the net completely and examine it for tears or warped loops. If any are present, swap in the new net now. Once the net is off, you replace or tighten any damaged hooks, ensuring they sit straight in their holes. This preserves rim integrity. Before finishing, you perform a gentle pull test to confirm secure attachment and safe play. If a clip is stuck, apply penetrating oil, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then work it free slowly to avoid breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.